Do you realize how lucky we are that Aduro is a publicly traded company on Canadian Stock Exchange? Do you realize that if it wasn't for COVID, this opportunity would have never been available to us? Seriously. Before COVID, Aduro was in talks with a major oil company. And then that major oil company was either probably going to own a big portion of Aduro or it was going to buy it out. But because COVID sent oil negative, all the oil companies called off acquisitions or anything like that. And because of this, Aduro went on a route of becoming publicly traded company through Canadian Stock Exchange. And because of this, we have this opportunity to get involved. That's how lucky we are. I don't think many people realize this. This morning, Aduro had a press release about Aduro Technologies announces participation in key industry conferences. So they're going to attend something on February 23rd, March 15, from March 19 to 21st, March 20 to March 22. Now, do you think this is a coincidence? You, as an investor, connect the dots. Connect the dots. And here's what I mean. They've been talking about completion of R2, both for plastic and bitumen, completion of a research and development lab where it's still in the process of being finished, and then those R2s are going to be relocated there. And then they're going to be able to run, these open tests for industry participants, for investors. And now we have it listed that they are going to all these conferences. Recently, they went to India, and I'm hearing that the interest was incredible. So I think this year is going to be the year where Aduro is going to be put on the map. Okay? I don't know what's going to happen to the stock price. The stock price is already going up nicely. I mean, when I was introduced to Aduro, started doing due diligence. I mean, it was literally at this bottom here, about 50 cents. Okay? I put out videos around 70 something, but from that bottom, look at this. Aduro is up 120% as I'm recording this. Now, do you think this is a coincidence? Really? Do you think the market, in the retarded state that the market is right now, the market wants to buy some unknown Aduro on a Canadian stock exchange when there's all these deals available? Well, first of all, the market doesn't want to buy anything because, recession talks are 24/7, interest rates up are 24/7. So the market doesn't want to buy anything, right? But now, even if some market participants want to buy something, why would they want to go? Why would they want to go to some secondary exchange, Canadian Stock Exchange, and buy some unknown Aduro that a couple years ago didn't even have a website? There is a reason why the volume is increasing right now. There's a reason why people are buying it. Don't fool yourself that the stock price is going up because I'm making videos on YouTube, okay? Like, my Aduro's videos are the worst performing videos, right? Overall, people are not interested in this company as much as they are about my other companies, right? So there's a reason why the stock is up so much in such a short period of time. There's a reason, okay? And also another thing that I want to talk about is I about fell off my chair when I saw this tweet from Aduro. What is the market opportunity for plastic recovery? 120 billion, we think. Now, the reason why I about fell off my chair when I saw this is because I was like, wow, Aduro is finally starting to talk about the addressable market, how big it is. Because you got to understand something. A lot of times we talk about, or I talked about two companies, Cielo, that people like to compare it to, and Aduro, and how Cielo reached 1.5 billion market cap, and now it's down like over 90% because Cielo failed. Didn't have the technology. It just didn't deliver on what they were promising. So some investors are comparing Cielo to Aduro, and it's like it's a night and day comparison from the technology, but also from the way the management thinks. You see, Cielo was a hugely promotional company. Okay, hugely. Aduro is like for them to have this kind of tweet. I was like, you are actually going out and promoting. I mean, as a CEO, of course you want to promote, right? You want to promote your story, but the kind of mentality that is behind Aduro is that they just want to do the work and they want their work to speak for themselves. They are not the kind of people that want to ever be accused of being too promotional, okay? That's how they are. And you compare it to Cielo, it's like promotional, care about the stock price, where Aduro's engineers, I doubt they even know where the stock is trading. Like, honestly, like they are all about chemistry, doing the right things. I mean, it's just completely different mindset. So when I saw this tweet, I'm like, I about fell off my chair. It's like, finally, this company is starting to talk about it. But then, of course, those industry conferences, don't think that this is a coincidence. So I keep telling this and I keep pounding the table. There's something special here. And we are lucky that this company is public on the secondary exchange. If it wasn't for COVID, you would have never seen this opportunity. So don't ignore it.